Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you about soft highlights and hard highlights and how to make soft highlights. In the starting, when I used to make artworks, I used to face this issue a lot. But now I'm kinda good at it, so I thought why not to make a video on this particular topic. So here you go. Okay, so we will see this example to study highlights. So as you can see on the first subject, we are getting some hard highlights. How? Because we are getting the light from this source, and the highlights which are getting created here are so hard. They are not covering a huge area. I mean they are, but by transition, like you can see here, it's covering huge area, and it's showing a smooth transition. Okay, it's getting it's so bright here and it's dark here. It's showing a smooth transition, but here it isn't available. So wherever there are hard edges and it isn't showing any smooth transition, you can consider it as hard highlights. And wherever it is smooth transition and is covering a huge area, there is those are soft highlights. Like you can see here, to zoom in, like you can see here on the nose, it's covering a small area, but and this is so hard, and on this portion it's covering a small area, but it's smooth. You can see here, wait, you can see here, even on the neck it's showing a smooth transition here. Okay, but here it's not. So this is hard highlights. Whenever there is some hard light, this will form a hard highlight, and whenever there is some diffused or ambient light means that light is getting emitted here also to a where the light is covering a huge area, but in hard light it's covering only small areas. See, like this, it's covering this area. Okay, this light is getting diffused and it's covering a lot of area, so it's showing a smooth transition. That's why there are some soft highlights, but it's covering only this area. That's why there is some hard highlights, and this area is also getting some light, but not that much. So there is not any transition, but here it is available. Okay, so it's hard and soft highlights. Okay, so let me show you how to make them. So here you can see that I have made some soft highlights on her face. I can show you how I made them. Okay, so let me show you. Let me turn off the layers. Okay, so how I made that? First of all, you have to decide where the source of light is coming from, and you have to take a dark scene for that. I made that using a mouse, so I will use my mouse only, and I will keep the flow 10%. Now see, I did nothing, I just decreased the flow, and now I started painting. Wherever I want some more light, I have to paint over there again and again. And I don't want this area to be covered. I'll increase some hardness brush, and I will remove that. Okay, that seems good, yeah. So even on the nose, like, yeah, like this one. Okay, so you can always paint this by using a smooth round brush on the eyes, here, below her lips, can always decide where to keep more highlights and where to not. You always have to you can use yourself as a subject too. If you don't have I'll make a separate video how to create highlights according to light, but I'm showing smooth highlights, so here is it. Okay, so we can make this by using just a smooth round brush. Okay, so I just made some source of light here and painted highlights here. Here too there is some source of light. I made this. Okay, now let me show you one example of hard highlights too. This you can see like how I made this. I just painted on my subject here. That wasn't covering a huge part. You cannot see some smooth transition or covering a huge area. That's because it's hard highlight. Okay, but it looks cool. So you always have to practice on it to make it look cool. Both look amazing in their way. So that's it. So thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then do like, comment, subscribe and share it to your friends. I'll be coming up with more Photoshop videos and I'll be making some videos on NFTs too. So subscribe my channel and press that bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from us.